efficient industrial management to avoid global warming. A poem by Saint Kabir Das says clearly, tells the potter, "You are moulding me now, a day will come when I shall mould you." Here we can compare the clay, symbolic of change in climate conditions on Earth's environment, and the potter, the man who changed the environment as he liked without thinking the after effect, and now is the turn for the environment. See the lush green earth, and now the deforestation has increased. In addition to this, there is pollution due to effluent released from industries and vehicles. In developing countries like India, the waste released due to industries is the main cause for pollution. Air pollution is one major effect. The greenhouse gases is increased to a large extent this decade when compared to the last few decades of industrial revolution. Greenhouse effect refers to circumstances where the short wavelengths of visible light from the sun pass through a transparent medium and are absorbed, but the longer wavelengths of the infrared radiation from the heated objects are unable to pass through that medium. The trapping of the long wavelength radiation leads to more heating and a higher resultant temperature. The greenhouse effect has been widely used to describe the trapping of excess heat by the rising concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide acts as a greenhouse and strongly absorbs infrared and does not allow as much of heat to escape into space. This results of increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and oceans. An increase in global temperature will cause sea level to rise and will change the amount and pattern of precipitation, probably including expansion of subtropical deserts. Warming is expected to be strongest in the Arctic and would be associated with continuing retreat of glaciers, permafrost and sea ice. Other likely effects include changes in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events and species extinctions. There may also be the danger of change in seasons leading to the decrease in agricultural yields. Till date, the carbon dioxide produced by industries is being released into the atmosphere. Now the latest idea is to use to emitted carbon dioxide in various parts of the industry and recycle it to yield better production without increasing the cost of production. Hence the profits of the organization is also increased. Most of the greenhouse gases content is CO2. The other gases are present in small quantities. These gases undergo a process at the unit, so CO2 separately recycled. Take for example a fertilizer industry which produces urea. Urea is produced by the reaction between ammonia and carbon dioxide. 2NH3 plus CO2 implies reversible NH2COO NH4 ammonium carbonate. NH2COO NH4 implies reversible NH2CO NH2 plus H2O. Similar processes can be implemented in various other industries to decrease the greenhouse gases, thereby reducing global warming. The major advantages of the carbon dioxide recovery system are: first, avoid global warming. Second, reduce the greenhouse effect. Third, increase the production by 6%. Fifth, can be done and recycled easily. Hence, it can be concluded that as a knife can be used to cut the fruit or the throat. It is up to men to decide how greenhouse gases can be utilized, either as a pollutant or as a recycled product.